तो लेट्स ओपन इट अप एंड सी। दो है टोटल, दो के उसके मेरे को तो वो दिख रहे हैं। तो मॉडर्न विच एंड वन इज़ द ओरेकल। ठीक है, तो दो है। लेट्स ओपन इट अप। इसको आप क्लेमर सॉर्ट ऑफ अ थिंग। सो लेट्स सी क्या होता है। एंड लेट्स सी। So this is the card. I regret lie to we need to let go. We are the best thing in my life. Blah blah blah. So these are the cards. Good quality, like thickness wise also. It's like a very plastic card. Da da da. So yeah, so these are the cards of Oracle. So इसको अपन साइड में रखते हैं and let's see this one. This is the modern witch. So this is the modern witch blah blah blah. और यहाँ पे उसका वो नहीं है, डेक नहीं है, डेक बाद में आएगा शायद probably, मतलब you can scan it and get the deck. But it's not like readily available, मतलब इसके साथ नहीं है. So this is how it is and this is how it looks. This start with 2 of cups, 4 of cups, blah blah blah. So you can just, it'll quickly run through. So you can have an idea of what it is. Then of 3 of pentacles, 6 of swords, 5 of swords, 4 of swords, 3 of swords, 2 of swords, 8 of swords, 9 of cups, kings of swords, queen of swords, 9 of swords, page of swords, 4 of pentacles, 5 of pentacles, 6 of pentacles, 7 of pentacles, 8 of pentacles, 9 of pentacles, page of wands, queen of pentacles, knight of pentacles, 9 of wands, the lovers, the fool, and all this I think female characters. Yeah, they are all female characters, and the one with the bike also. So yeah, these are all the cards. So this is how it looks, and from back, and this, so this is tarot witch cards. Link in the description. Bye bye, thank you.